Hello beautiful girls. I am Dr. Harshlata Ladda from Samarth Hospital, Aurangabad. Today we are going to talk about FSP, that is fallopian tube sperm perfusion, one of the infertility treatment. This treatment is in between IUI and IVF. In last video we have discussed regarding IUI, indications of IUI, timing required for IUI and success rate regarding IUI. So the indications for FSP are almost same like IUI. So I will just enumerate the indications like low sperm count, low motility of the sperms, then advanced female age, duration of the infertility means duration of married life, endometriosis, unexplained infertility, and somewhat in one more indication which I want to add is repeated IUI failures. In those cases we can go for FSP. This FSP procedure is in between that IUI procedure and IVF. When a person or a couple is not prepared for IUI, IVF mentally as well as economically, can try 2 to 3 cycles of FSP. So how it is done? Just like IUI, we have to do one baseline scan on second day of menses. If everything is normal, like ovaries and uterus, endometrium, everything is normal, then we can start on some medicines for the eggs to form. When the eggs are completely mature, that time we give them trigger, that is HCG injection for rupture of the eggs. But in FSP, we do this procedure just before ovulation. But in case of IUI, we do it after ovulation. That is the basic difference. So in FSP, what we do with special equipments, we use those washed and charged sperms and put it into the fallopian tube, that is very near to the eggs. But in case of IUI, what we are doing? We are putting these sperms in the uterine cavity, not in the tubes. But in FSP, we are putting it in the tubes, so chances of pregnancy increases. And it should be done just before rupture of the egg. So the chances of pregnancy increases by 20 to 25%. But that is 10 to 15 to 20% in IUI. So this is the treatment modality just before IVF. So I think your ideas regarding IUI and FSP are clear by now. Stay tuned with me in the next videos also. Thank you.